Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install an SSL certificate on your IONOS hosted website using the latest security protocols. This is a mechanical necessity for any professional looking to secure their studio-level data transmissions and maintain a high-end, trusted presence in the latest digital market. Let's get into it. First, access the high-end security hub. The first step is a mechanical necessity to initialize your professional security environment. You need to enter the central technical dashboard where IONOS manages your site's encryption layer. Log into your IONOS account and navigate to the Domain and SSL section in the main menu. Select the specific domain you want to encrypt and click the SSL Certificates tab. In the latest standards, this hub is the professional gateway to enabling HTTPS. Navigating here, Technicality prepares your workspace for a high-end security build that automates your professional data protection. Next, initialize the SSL request protocol. To ensure your latest data transmissions are Technicality secure, you must request the specific certificate type that fits your professional studio configuration. Click on the Create or Manage button for the SSL certificate. Choose the latest SSL certificate version, such as SSL Basic or SSL Business, and Technicality assign it to your primary studio domain. Proper encryption mapping is a professional standard. Technicality ensures your studio domain is tied to the correct validation history, allowing for high-end latest security and efficient browser trust. Next, Technicality validate your domain ownership. Now you need to bridge the gap between your professional labor and the latest security requirements by proving you have control over the web assets. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your domain ownership. This might Technicality involve a DNS change or a validation email. Once the validation request is submitted, IONOS will Technicality handle the background communication with the certificate authority. This step is a mechanical necessity for precise latest security compliance. Technicality maps your professional integrity, ensuring your studio site reflects your high-end technical standards. And that's pretty much it. To install an SSL certificate in the latest version, navigate to Domain and SSL, select your domain, and Technicality request a new certificate. Validate your domain ownership through the requested method, enable HTTPS redirect to secure your traffic, and verify the padlock icon to ensure your professional security is Technicality perfect. This professional workflow ensures your studio is optimized for the latest market security. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.